Like this video and subscribe for more Amazon secrets revealed. Today we're taking a look at the ECOFLOW Portable Power Station Delta 2. This compact yet powerful unit packs a 1024 WH Life PO4 battery, delivers 1800 WH AC output, a $100 USB-C port, and can even pair with optional solar panels, making it perfect for home backup, camping, and RV life. So what do people love about it? Users rave about its long-lasting Life PO4 battery chemistry, which is rated for years of heavy use compared to standard lithium-ion. The fast charging capability is another standout. You can recharge it from 0 to 80% in around 50 minutes. Reviewers also highlight the port variety, from AC outlets to USB-C and DC ports, making it versatile for everything from powering appliances to charging laptops. Many also note its quiet operation and portability for camping or road trips. But of course, no product is perfect. Some buyers point out that the weight is on the heavier side, so while portable, it's not the easiest to carry long distances. Others mention that full solar charging requires additional investment in solar panels, which can make the overall setup quite pricey. And a few note that while 1024 WH is solid, it may not be enough for extended off-grid use if you're running multiple high-powered devices. On Amazon, the ECOFLOW Delta 2 holds a strong 4.6-star rating, showing most customers are highly satisfied with its performance and durability. If you'd like to check it out for yourself, click the link in the description for a special discounted price on Amazon. Be sure to like this video and subscribe for more Amazon secrets revealed.